What's up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Well, today on my Foxbody Mustang I'm going to be installing a new starter, which right here is my new starter. Now my Foxbody Mustang is a 93, so it's already got one of these kinds, which this is a high torque mini starter. So the 93 and 92s already got these in there. If you have anything older than that, you have to upgrade it to this. So this is what it looks like. Back of it. Everything. Got my wrap here, my heat wrap, to help keep it cool, because I got long tube headers. So I'm going to wrap that into that. And your starter is basically connected by 2 bolts. One at the top, one at the bottom. So what I'm going to do first is get my top one out, which I'm going to do it from over here. I'll show you. From up here, I'm going to get a wrench with an extension and get down here to this bolt. Let me see if you can see. I'll point to it. Right there is the bolt. It's right there. So right there's the bolt, top one. And there's my starter. Goes all the way over to there. Maybe y'all can see it. It's kind of hard to see a little bit. So I'm gonna put an extension up here. Get that bolt out. Once I get that, then I'm gonna go underneath there. Get my bottom one out and unhook all the starter wires and stuff that's connected to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that top one out and then go to the bottom. So I'll be back here in a minute. Alright, guys, so I'm underneath the car now, because I just got the top one out, top bolt. Now I gotta get the bottom one, which is right there. And these bolts are 13 millimeter. That's what size the bolts. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and unhook the wires. They're back there, and be back in a minute once I get everything out. Alright, guys, so I got the old one out here. It's my new one. Got it wrapped up with the heat shield and everything. Now the bolt size was 14, not 13. So I'm gonna get this one installed and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna finish installing it right there. Got it up in here. Got it wired up back there in the back. Now when I reinstalled it, I started with the bottom one, bottom bolt. Then I went up and did the top one. Well, actually before I even put all the bolts in, I wired it up first. Then I put the bolts in. And it came out pretty easy. Yep. So we'll start this thing up. See if it starts up now. Alright, guys, so I'm gonna crank it up now, see if it does crank. Hopefully I put it in there right. So let's see. Yeah. So it cranks up now. I'll give you a look at it from the top here. That's a look at it from the top. All up in there, wired up. Got my starter cable right there hooked up to it. So yeah, she cranks up. Everything working pretty good. I still got some a little bit of issues with my timing. So I'll get that fixed up. I should be ready to run on the road then. So, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I'll see y'all later.